Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video, I will show you how you can get One UI 8.5 phone app fully running on all Samsung phones, even if you don't have One UI 8.5. As you can see, I have a Samsung Galaxy S23 FE running on One UI 8 and I have installed Samsung One UI 8.5 phone app. As you can see, the bill save menu over here, you can see it's fully running on my S23 FE on One UI 8. I don't know about One UI 7 it will work or not because I don't have One UI 7 device. If I would have, then I would definitely check on One UI 7 also. Even if I make a call 198, you will see the UI will be One UI 8.5 UI. You can see this is the new One UI 8.5 caller UI. 3 dot is working fine, the keypad is working fine. Even I check the Bluetooth is also working fine. Even the call recording is also working fine. Even the loudspeaker also. Okay, now let me show you how you can get this. But before that guys, you need to know few very important things, because some people like they just come and just download the APK, they install without watching the full video. Okay, so there are some very important things which you should know before installing this APK on your Samsung phone. So let me tell you what is that important things. The one very important thing which you should know before installing this is, guys, the recent call log is not working. I don't know why. Everything is working fine. Even though if you get a missed call, it will show you the missed call over here. But you know, the recent call, it's not showing. I don't know why. I have tried everything. Till now, I haven't find any solution for this. If I find the solution, I will definitely let you know. But there is a good news also. Obviously, I will tell you about that good news also. So other than this, everything is working fine. You can make call. You can also search like people. If you want to search from like, for example, if I search someone from contact, you can see I can search, and even I can call directly from here. It's working fine. You can see. And even if you switch from dark theme to light theme, it will automatically switch. As you can see, it is switching. And this is also One UI 8.5 contact app. I will give you all obviously in the description. All right, now let me tell you about the good news. As you can see, if I open the phone app of One UI 8.5, the recent call is not showing. Okay, now you know you have installed the One UI 8.5 phone app and you have tried everything. Now you want to go back to One UI 8. So One UI 8 phone app, what you have to do is just tap over here, press and go to here. Then you'll see 3 dot over here. Just tap on it. Just click on uninstall update. Okay, just click on uninstall update. Okay, don't click anywhere else. Now if I open the phone app, okay, if I click on recent app, you can see all my recent call logs are back. So this is kind of a good news. So if you can test the One UI 8.5 phone app. Okay, if you don't like it, just uninstall the update. Please remember, don't do this. Okay, don't clear the data. Okay, if you clear the data, all the call logs will be deleted. So please note, only uninstall the update. Now let me show you how you can download and install, and listen this very carefully. Okay guys, I will tell you how you can install it and how you can go back also, because installing it is very easy for everyone, but I find that few people find difficult to going back to the previous One UI 8 version. Obviously I will give the APK in the description. I will upload in Google Drive. So this is the contact, this is the call setting, this is the call UI, and this is the phone app. You just have to download the APK and just click on update. It will automatically install. And guys, I found that some people find difficult to download from Google Drive also. I don't know how, but guys, if you find difficult downloading from Google Drive, just contact me on Instagram. Okay, follow my Instagram account, then message me, ask for the APK. I will give you the quick share link. All right, just follow me on Instagram, link will be in the description. Then ask for the APK, I will directly message you. All right guys, now you have installed the One UI 8.5 phone app, contacts, etc. Some people like it, they will keep it. Just for me, I like it, I keep it. But for some people, they want to go back. So how you can go back? It's pretty easy guys. Some people find difficult for this skin. Okay, caller skin. So for this, what you have to do is just go to settings, select apps, and scroll down. You will see an option called what we call call, CALL. Tap on it, click on uninstall updates. All right, just do that. Again, go back, and here you will see a call settings. Then again, tap on uninstall update. Simple. Now everything is just like One UI 8. Even if you call 198, you will see now the call screen will be the One UI 8 one, as you can see. So this is how you can install and go back. All right, I think I have explained you just like a kit. But still, if you have any questions, just comment below. I will definitely reply and help you. And guys, if this video was helpful, please like this video, hype this video, and please subscribe and help your brother to reach at least 10K subscribers. Bye, take care. Bye bye.